Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your own kefir. Start by combining 1 tablespoon kefir grains with 1 cup fresh milk in a clean jar and cover with a breathable lid. Leave to ferment at room temperature for 24 hours or until tangy. Strain grains gently, then refrigerate kefir and reuse grains for the next batch. Flavor later with fruit, herbs, or a touch of honey before serving. Gather your ingredients and tools first. Use whole milk for creamier kefir, or try goat milk for milder flavor. Have 1 tablespoon kefir grains per 1 cup milk ready and a clean glass jar with breathable lid. Use a plastic or nylon strainer and wooden spoon to protect grains. Keep thermometer handy to avoid boiling milk. Grains prefer below 115 degrees F. Prepare labels to track fermentation time and note flavor experiments. Quick recommendation: if you like practical kitchen gear, consider the Owala water bottle for staying hydrated through fermentation sessions. It keeps drinks cold and is leak-proof, perfect for busy home fermenters. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Check the description for the link and other deals on useful items. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Monitor fermentation carefully for best results. Taste after 12 hours and decide whether to continue fermenting until desired tanginess develops. If kefir separates, stir gently or strain a portion. Separation is normal. For slow fermentation, increase room temperature slightly or use warmer milk. If you see mold or off smells, discard grains and sanitize equipment. Record each batch details to refine timing, temperature, and milk choices for consistent results now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.